If you're looking for a quick guide on how to add custom CSS to LeadPages to give your landing pages a unique and personalized look, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through how to do it step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to modify your page styles without needing a developer. Stick around because we'll also cover some great alternatives at the end that could be a better fit for your needs. First things first, before you dive into custom CSS in LeadPages, it's important to know where to access the CSS editor. Log into your LeadPages account and open the landing page you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, click on the page settings in the top right corner, then select the Custom CSS option. This is where you'll paste your custom styles to alter the page's appearance. It's simple to find, but a lot of users overlook it, so make sure you're in the right place before adding anything. Next, let's talk about the basics of writing CSS. If you're familiar with CSS, this step is easy, but if you're new to it, don't worry. To change a style, you'll need to target specific elements on the page, like headers, buttons, or text. For example, if you want to change the background color of your button, you'll write something like. You can also add hover effects, font adjustments, and much more. CSS lets you get as creative as you want. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that you can add custom CSS for specific devices too. If you want different styles for desktop, tablet, or mobile views, LeadPages allows you to add media queries to make sure your page looks perfect across all devices. Here's an example of a media query for mobile. This ensures that your button's font size adjusts when the page is viewed on a mobile device. It's a great way to enhance user experience on all screens. Another key thing is testing your changes. After adding your custom CSS, always preview your landing page to ensure everything looks as expected. You don't want to end up with broken layouts or misaligned elements. LeadPages provides a preview feature to check your changes in real time. Now, one important point I want to mention is that while LeadPages offers this custom CSS feature, it's somewhat limited in terms of deep customization compared to other platforms. If you're a serious designer or developer looking for full control over your landing page styles, you may find LeadPages a bit restrictive. You can only go so far with CSS before you hit a wall. Next thing, let's talk about alternatives. If you're finding LeadPages a bit too rigid, there are other platforms like Elementor or Unbounce that offer more flexibility with custom code and are known for better integrations with other marketing tools. These platforms give you more freedom to design your pages exactly the way you want, and they also provide a more intuitive user interface for beginners. I'll be covering these alternatives in more detail shortly. Before we get into that, let me tell you that I've got something special for you. Through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive and extended free trial to LeadPages, so you can start adding custom CSS to your landing pages right away. But if you're serious about landing page design and customization, I highly recommend you check out these alternatives, which also offer free trials and may suit your needs even better. With these platforms, you get better control over custom CSS, more design freedom, and even more advanced marketing features to optimize your campaigns. Make sure to grab the best free trial offer through the link and start improving your landing pages today. Hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out those alternatives and start experimenting with your own custom styles.